Hi, this is Rick with Mystic Falls and Ponds LLC out here in Deep Creek, Florida. And we're doing the pond build today. We're going to be draining this one here, taking her little fishies out. She's got a couple of koi, and she said there may be pleco in here too. And I'm sure we'll find it. You can't see it, but and here's Kyle. Say hi, Kyle. He's come to give us a hand. Kyle's a good waterfall artist. He does a really good job with the ponds and stuff. And I'm glad to have him on board. And this is the little puppy snorting. And we got a truck all unloaded. We rented another truck. Got the rocks all off. And this is what we got here for now. Still have some at the house. We got probably about 3,500 pounds of rock here now, and we'll be starting with that today. Hopefully getting her rocked in, and hopefully everything will come out. Well, I know it will. It's all going to come out beautiful. She's going to love it. When this is done, she'll love it. She'll have an autofill. She won't have to worry about putting the water in. She'll have a brand new waterfall instead of just a filter inside the pond, acting as a fountain. And everything is going to be, the pot, we'll be fixing that and hooking that up onto a separate pipe, putting the pump in there with the skimmer, so everything will look nice. Well, I hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.